the anchor. Next, select a figure from the options which satisfies the same conditions of placement of dots as in figure X. See here, is there any dot given in ABCD? No. But what is the question? Understand that first. You need not look at the dots. It should follow the same conditions as for the dots in X, right? So what is in X? First check that. One of the dots lies in the region common to the circle and a triangle only, right? Circle and a triangle, this dot. Another dot lies in the circle alone, see this center one. And the third one is in the square and a circle. Means what? There is one region which is common to circle and triangle only, one region which is common to circle and square only, and one region which is only for circle. So any of these figures has it? Let's check. Okay. In figure 1 there is no common region between circle and triangle, whereas we had it in X. So A is gone. In figure B there is no common region between circle and square alone. So that is also gone. In first also it was A also, circle and triangle alone we were checking. Here it is alone in X. So it should have. No. So now see, is there any region between circle and triangle alone? Yes. Circle and triangle in square? Yes. Single circle means only circle. Is there any region? Yes. See this one and this one. So C will be satisfied. Will D be satisfied? No. Why? Because D also has the same logic. There is no region which is common to, not common to, there is no region which has only circle. So D is gone. So only C will be the answer. You can call this 1, 2, 3 and 4 also if you want to check up with this given comments.